Okay, here I am in the Dahu bus station, basically waiting for the Lawak bus or what's that bus name? Partas. I'm riding Partas. Reason being is it's near my relative's house in Lawak, so I've been here for the past 30 minutes. Still no bus. I guess it all depends on if